Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining in. I am just sharing what my Patreon subscribers got in their January Happy Mailboxes. So this is for my OrcaPod tier, which is $10 US a month, which roughly equates out to, hi Handmade Hour, hi! It roughly equates out to about £7.80 a month, and you get 3 to 4 items. Some of them are Patreon exclusives, and I wanted to share with you guys what came in the box for my January Patreons. So all of my packaging is 100% recyclable if they come in these boxes, and I will explain more about my packaging, like some of the non-recyclable stuff that I've just found out about that I'll be swapping over in the next couple of months anyways. But everything that comes for my Patreons will always be 100% recyclable, and you get a little box. So here we go. Hopefully I'm going to be able to do this without spilling this all over the floor. So when you open up the tissue paper, you will get some confetti. You'll get a little handwritten thank you note from me. There's some more confetti, and so these were the items that were in the January box. So my Patreons got one of my sticker sheets. This is the Galapagos Animal sticker sheets. They are 100% recyclable, so once you have peeled off all the stickers, you can about that. Pause, because my phone started dying. Anyways, these are 100% recyclable, so once you've peeled off all the stickers, you can pop the backing into your regular paper waste, and I just think they're really, really cute. They're also limited edition, so once they're sold out, then they're gone. You also get some of my freebie stickers. These are my T-Rex and... Ooh, is the camera going to focus? These are my T-Rex and my Amazon River Dolphin freebie stickers, which go out in orders. Then they also got one of my sets of plant postcards. So this is my set of 6 plant postcards, which you can get on my website as well. And they got one of my discounted items. These are my notebooks, which I discontinued, I should say, last year. So you can't get them anywhere else. Patreon members were able to get some of the last ones. So I just had a few left lying over, and they went in the boxes as well. And then I also designed, let's get rid of some of this confetti, shall we? Thank you so much, Handmade Hour. I also designed this little pin badge. This was a Patreon exclusive, so it will never be released anywhere else. And in light of the Australian bushfires, butterfingers today. I designed a little koala. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Trying to get the camera to focus. So it's a little koala surrounded by eucalyptus and gum nuts, which is one of the native flora that is native to Australia, and it can be found in the koala's habitats. So this was a little Patreon exclusive badge that my Patreons got, and then, like I said, lots of confetti. Woo, there we go. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you so that you had a better idea of what came in my Patreon's mailboxes. So like I said, you always get 3 to 4 items in the Happy Mailbox for the OrcaPod tier. If you sign up for the Giraffe Herd tier, then it is slightly more. You get 4 to 5 items. And the value of this box was approximately £13 for all the items inside it, and then you only pay $10, and that includes the shipping as well. So that comes out to a really great price. So we go, there's all the little bits and bobs. So if you didn't know, I can't fit myself in the frame anymore. So just to kind of share with you guys what comes into the box, I will save this video as well and put it on IGTV later. But I wanted to give you all a little bit of a heads up in case you were thinking of becoming a Patreon. All right, thank you so much for joining in if you were able to, and I hopefully will speak to you all soon.